Artificial intelligence is transforming the field of education by providing personalized learning experiences, automating administrative tasks, and improving educational outcomes. In addition, AI-powered tools such as chatbots and virtual assistants can provide students with personalized guidance and support, helping them to stay engaged and motivated. AI is also being used to automate administrative tasks in the education sector. AI is being used to improve educational outcomes by providing educators with real-time insights into student performance. In addition, AI-powered tools such as adaptive learning systems can help students to learn at their own pace and in their own way, improving their overall educational outcomes. As AI continues to transform the education sector, there are ethical considerations that must be taken into account. One of the biggest concerns is the potential for AI to perpetuate biases in education. For example, if AI algorithms are trained on datasets that are biased against certain populations, this can lead to inaccurate assessments of student performance and perpetuate inequalities in the education system. In addition, there are concerns about the privacy and security of student data. As AI-powered tools collect and analyze large amounts of student data, it is important to ensure that this data is secure and protected from unauthorized access. Artificial intelligence has the potential to improve social justice by promoting fairness and equity in decision-making processes. However, there are also concerns that AI can perpetuate biases and inequalities, further exacerbating social injustices. AI can help to promote fairness and equity by providing objective and data-driven decision-making. For example, AI can be used to remove subjective biases from hiring decisions by analyzing resumes and identifying the most qualified candidates based on their skills and experience. In addition, AI can be used to identify and eliminate discriminatory practices in decision-making processes, such as loan approvals and criminal justice sentencing. While AI has the potential to promote fairness and equity, there are concerns that it can perpetuate biases and inequalities if not properly designed and implemented.